Hey, question for you. Man, what a day I had today. Let me ask you, fellow electricians, how are you handling your submittals? Are you doing your submittals, your load calculations for permitting, right? I mean, are you running into inspectors that are really requiring a lot more submittals and copies? And that's what I ran into today with my son. So I've been trying to get this permit for a job for about a month now. And I keep saying, what's taking so long for the permit? And it turned out, I finally got a hold of the electrical inspector, and he said, Garrett, you're giving me the wrong load calculation. I was like, that's impossible. How could I give you the wrong load calculation? So I said, you know what, I'm coming there. I'll meet you there. So I go there, and my son Ken was with me. And we go in, and he goes, this is a 1,800 square foot house, and you're working on a 7,000 square foot house. I grab it, and I'm like, I had the addresses mixed up. So technically, it's my fault. He goes, yeah, I'm just not going to approve a permit for you unless you give me the proper documents. So how do you guys handle that? So I'm thinking, okay, let me go and I'll get a new load calculation. And my son goes, Dad, I use Kopperfield. We've been using Kopperfield for 2 years. I go, Kopperfield? What is Kopperfield? Let me show you. What's the address? I give him the address. And part of the app was a ChatGPT feature where you just put the address in and there's the load calculation. And all I had to do was add the EV charging. I had to add like 7.2 kilowatt just to see if it could handle it. I had to remove a couple of bath fans or something on there, but it was really accurate. And I'm like, okay, now what do we do? And he goes, Dad, I got a printer. I'm like, you're kidding me. So boom, he prints out 3 copies of this. We go back in. I'm all proud-chested now. I hand it to the guy. He goes, okay, good. Sounds good. And I'm like, I want to leave you a blank check. He goes, no, you can't leave us a blank check anymore. Do you guys remember this old school stuff where we could leave a blank check, a signed check behind so that we could pay the permit fees? Because for whatever reason, no one could just tell me what the permit fee is. So as I'm leaving, I'm like, fine, let me know as I'm leaving, because now I'm happy. At least I'm getting the permit and I can tell the customer. He goes, the one-line diagram. I went, oh, man, the one-line diagram. So I'm like, okay, come on, Ken. He's like, what are you doing? I go, well, I got a pad of paper. Let's go out to the van. I'll get a ruler. We're going to make a one-line diagram. How easy is it to do a one-line diagram? He's like, Dad, Kopperfield could also do the one-line diagram. Guys, the whole purpose of this is just to share with you how maybe blindsided. I mean, we're so stuck in our ways. We've been doing this for so long and it works. And when people, like, I'm always an advocate of not subscribing to things, don't pay anybody. You need to learn this business. But it's not teaching you how to do a load calculation per se. It's not teaching you how to do a one-line diagram. It's just doing it for you. It's taking that burden. And here's the best part of it. My son is now known for putting together perfect permitting packages. I mean, he's doing 3, 4, 5 at a time, and he's showing up with sealed drawings, right? Licensed electrical contractor, signed drawings with all the submittals, 3 copies. Everything's paper clipped. He's got that jacket, the agent issue. Everything is done. He goes in, and they're just like, take it. And me, I come in, I've got handwritten load calculation. I'm using old, copies and Kopperfield. Thank you so much. And in the comments, guys, if you can, what do you do? What do you use? Maybe there's another software. Maybe there's another tool or trick that's even easier. But Kopperfield, thank you for watching.